Hello everyone, welcome back. So it's a nice sunny day here in Melbourne, so I thought to quickly cover a few important videos. So first one is about the smart key. So as we know, we got two smart keys given by Haval H6. Now what happens in case your smart key battery goes down? So how would you open that lock? So this is very important because many people may not know, and it's not that easy, it looks like. So first thing we should know, there's a mechanical key inside in the smart key. So to take out mechanical key, you need to use this small key here. There's a button here which you need to hold it. So like this. All right, so if you hold like this, and then you can take out this key. So you leave it and it goes back. So once again, if you hold this one down, all right, so hold this down and then take it out and take it inside. So this is how you can take out this mechanical key. All right, now let's see how can we use this mechanical key to open our door. To open this door using mechanical key, just see here, this is the X-shaped sign here. So that cover comes out. This is the lid, it would come out. So there's a way to take it out. So what you should do, use like this, take your finger inside and push it like this. Now it comes out. Now you can see there's a hole inside here, there's a keyhole. Now use your mechanical key and you can lock and unlock. So normal way. So if your car was locked using a smart key and now you're using your mechanical key to open this door, then there would be a theft alarm. So your car horn will start honking, which you can disable when you enter the car. If you need to put it back, just be careful. This is very tiny, not very strong material. This looks plastic to me, so be careful with that. And then put it like this, and then slowly, just be careful, it shouldn't break, and then it goes inside. So this is how you can use your mechanical key to open that car door. I thought it's very important information. Suddenly your smart key battery dries out and you don't know how to open it, and your manual is inside the car, so you wouldn't know. So I thought to publish this video for you. I hope you enjoy this video. If you have any questions, please ask, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. I will be posting few more videos on Haval H6. Thank you very much.